Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life, and it's Tuesday full of tinies. I'm really excited to be here. And yeah, so I'm just happy to be here. Okay, so I am hoping to finish a couple tinies because I have some other ones that I want to put in. I'm not super prepared with all of them, but I look at this Hey K budget ones. It's a Christmas avocado, and it was a mini Monday or a mini size, and I just shrunk it down for a tiny. And then two of my budgeting besties are collaborating and I think starting yesterday, Budget with Tiffany and Becca Budget 777. So this will go into my mini Mondays for this size, but then I also, actually this one's going to go in my Christmas binder. This one's going to go in my mini Mondays. And then I'm going to shrink both of them down to go into my Tiny Tuesday, but I haven't done that yet. So this will be in probably next week's Tiny Tuesday. But if you have not seen or heard of either of these ladies, please go check them out. They are literally some of my besties. So I hope that you find them entertaining, help them get to their 500 subscriber goal and beyond, because I know they're going to be here for a while. They're super helpful with how they explain how they do their budget and how they save, and it's just super fun to watch and be a part of. So I'm very happy I can call them friends. All right, so now let's see. I already exchanged out my money because I had a couple tens and fives, and I was like, ooh, that's not going to work for Tiny Tuesday. So instead of having you watch me do that, I just did it off camera. So now let's pull out the little teeny tiny cuties that we have. Oh my God, they're so cute. And I do have a lot of extra tinies that I've already shrunk down, some Halloween ones. And let's put this one in here while we are here. And we'll hop in here if we need to later. And then if we finish anything, it'll go in here. And I do have these binders on my site that just says Tuesday full of tinies. You get a Tiny Tuesday envelope. It says that in black, and extra tinies, and then randomizer money. And then you'll also get 2 extra for whatever you want. So yeah, I'm excited about Tuesday full of tinies. I just love them. And I am doing Christmas in July. So all the things that are kind of not Christmas themed now will shift over to being Christmassy. Let's see. So let's do Becca Budget 777. Savings makes you happy as happy pills. So let's put her in the 5 spot. In alcohol's defense, I've done some pretty done stuff sober, and this is on my shop. And I'll put that in the 3 spot. Budget with Tiffany. This was one of her freebies for, I think this is her 200 subscriber goal. She has since hit 300, which I'll put that in 1 spot. She released these cute little freebies on her site for summer beach time, so I'll put that in the 6th spot. And then Bookish Mama Budgets. This was also a mini size that I shrunk down, and this is save $20. I'll put that in the number 2 spot. And then Saving with Sam, since June is birthday month, I finished one of her other birthday minis, and I just shrunk it down. So this, I did the same thing. These are freebies on her site, so that's at Saving with Sam, and that I will put in the 4 spot. Touch him 100 times. I'll use a Tina. She was pretty okay with Monday, so let's see. All right, so I have my money, and I think it was, let's see, 32, and then we added $3, so I think it's $35 here. We'll see. Whatever it is, we're going to save it. All right, scoot that. Give Tina some pep talks. All right. 5. So with Tiny Tuesday, I use $1, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so it's tiny amounts of money and tiny adorable challenges. 1. 1. Go, Tiffany, go. 5. 6. 5. 3. 2. All right, now we just need a 4. I thought I was going to try to will it into existence. 2, 6, 4. There it is. Yay. 6, 3, 4. Sometimes it comes like flying out, and other times it doesn't. So it's just super like that. Like, really? 3, 6, 5, 1, 5. Luckily, my Coke Zero isn't that full, but still. 5, 1, 3, 6. I feel like I have so much more money than I have had in the past few weeks because it's a lot of piles. Was that right? We're going with it. It is now. 6, and the last dollar is going to 4. So let's see what we got. All right, the way I do my Tiny Tuesday is I basically count up what I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. Wow. All right, let's see what we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh no, we're 1 shy. Okay, so now I made everything $1 on this adorable little challenge. So now it's still in play. So we're going to put that there and the money right here, which I think you can kind of see. So then the next one is Saving with Sam. That was Becca budget 777. So Saving with Sam is $3. So 1, 2, 3. We still have $7 left for this one. So this one is still in play. And that was the $3 we just marked off. And then Beach Time with Budget with Tiffany. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8. Wow. Okay, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8. So we still have $3 left on this one. So all of my money just gets put together. This one is still in play. So then another budget with Tiffany, her little Be Positive. Isn't that cute? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $6. 2, 4, and 6. And that's still in play. And then we've got, in Alcohol's defense, I've done some pretty dumb stuff sober. That's on my website. And today we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1 extra. That means we finished this one. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. So that's 4, 8, 12. So this is $12 that we just saved. So this one is done. I'm just going to set that aside. The $3 that we finished will go in here. And this $1, oops, got blue on me. This $1 will go into the next tiny, which I think is I'm gonna start the Christmas one. So I'll pull out the tiny one I just shrunk down from Hey K Budgets and made it a little tiny. So I am gonna make all of these little circles $1. So I'm just gonna put a 1 in there. And now we have started our Christmas one, and that's our $1 for that. Let's see, and when Bookish Mama Budgets. And again, this is a little teeny tiny or a mini that I shrunk down to a teeny tiny. So we got $2. So 1, 2. So we have $2 left on this one. So next week, sounds like we're going to finish a bunch. So now I'm going to make sure I have 6 challenges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, because I like to play with 6 and I like to have it all ready to go. And now I am going to take my $12 out of here that I won. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I will ring that bell in 1 second. And then I will take my tinies and my money and put it, well, actually I won't do that. I'll put my money in first because the ones will go in the back. So all of this money is all of these marks that we've saved so far. And then I would have, if not, I would have put in all my money in here and then just taken the 12 out of here, but I just had the $12 there and I wanted ones for that. So now these 6 tinies are ready to go for next Tiny Tuesday. And I do have some more extras. I have Halloween ones that I got from, then cute ones I got from Weekly Budgets. Goldfish. And Julie's Pages has some really cute micros. And I think the way she does it is she puts the amount in each week that she gets. So uses it for like a month. But haven't decided how I'm going to use her micros. But to me, it's still the same concept. So, and I don't think I have any Christmas ones in here. Oh, I have one. I have a little Christmas snow globe one. Okay, so I'll have to shrink down some of my ones I got from other people for freebies. And yeah, so don't forget to check out Becca Budgets 777 and Budget with Tiffany. I'll have them linked below, but they're on their road to 500. And I think they were announcing this in yesterday's video on Monday, so I didn't want to do it before they did. So, but yay, go support. And thank you so much for being here and all of my subscribers. And I just so grateful, so thankful, and I just appreciate all of you. And until next time, until Thursday, where I'm doing my live, and it's my last live in June. So whatever I save there, and I'll be playing games, will go into some of that will go into my randomizer money. So yeah, take care, and until next time, bye. Just kidding. I'm back. I said my bye too soon. Okay, so this $12 needs to go in the randomizer money. This is what I use at the end of the month, along with anything I haven't designated to a certain category. So let's see, we have 20, 30, 45, 50, 51, 52, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $102. And then what a couple other things that I work on in my games binder that you might have seen me do in my lives that will go towards the randomizer money. I think last month I had over $200, and I have a feeling it's going to be the same way or I hope it's going to be the same way this month. I don't know for sure. So check out these ladies. Yay, I finished one. Did I ring the bell? I don't think I did. Ooh. Okay, now I'll say hopefully see you Thursday. If not, have a good one. Take care. Bye.